Hello, budgeting Bessie.
Hello, Pugsley. Why are you carrying an umbrella? It's not raining.
I heard everyone needs a rainy day fund, so I came prepared.
Not that kind of rainy day, Pugsley. A rainy day fund isn't an umbrella.
It's not?
A rainy day fund is money you save for unexpected emergencies. Things like car repairs, broken phones, or surprise bills.
Oh, a rainy day fund is money saved for emergencies. That way I'm ready when unexpected expenses happen.
Exactly.